Aramithi kiroko na ituri ya kieha ria humba kanitha wa All Saints Cathedral kuria igongona ria kuririkano ria urari murugamiri mwene wa kambuni ya Safaricom Bob Collymore riguthaganitio. Arugamiriria nene ya makambuni, mabegi, atongoria a githirikari undu umwe na Kenya umwe thutha wa uria ungi magikinya igongona-ini riri kioneria kia uria Collymore arahutitie andu aikiro itiganite. Ihoru mothi-ini mao rikionania kieha kinene kia gutigwo ni Collymore, ndumiriri icio ria arari mundu mwenyihia na urendete kunyitana na mundu wothe we mwene akiima ikeno cia mundu wa gikiro giake ikirutwo.
So we spent a whole afternoon, and my biggest thing was, why are you talking to me about Safaricom, what about you? I says, no, my chapter is closed. And I have accepted it. So all I want to know is, how is the future of this company?
Mutongoria wa bururi akimukura na njira ya mwanya wirutiri-ini wake hari ukuria wa bururi itena-ini riake thiini wa Safaricom akiuria Kenya guthingata makinya macio undu uria munini wake William Ruto akiderire.
There is still pain of being left by somebody who cared so passionately about the things that he did.
He inspired and influenced government policy.
Mutumia wa Collymore wa Boy Kameru akioya mweke ukuria Kenya gukungwira muturire wa muthuriwe no tigo Shakaya kuona we ni ararikitie gutura muturire atangireririre. Ashley Chepkoril murutwo kuma thukuru-ini wa M-Pesa Foundation uria uri rungu rwa Safaricom agitarĩria itemi riria Collymore aranyitirire miturire-ini yao ta arutwo.
Ordinarily, when we pay respect to those we love, we give 1 minute of silence. Bob has chosen to give us all 8 minutes of music. The piece that is about to play, Adagio for Strings by Samuel Barber, was his request for his memorial and a gift to you all.
He wanted us to be successful, and on behalf of the students, his wish will be fulfilled. He has taught us a lot, and though he persistently told us that we inspired him, he inspired us more, and he will still inspire us every single morning.
Nao arata undu umwe na aria ararutithanagia wira nao makimugweta gukorwo ari mutongoria uramakwa muraga riria mari na thina ciraniro ciake kuri ona cio agitigirira ni ciahinga.
And he was a great leader because he was unafraid to take positions, unafraid to stand up for what he believed, but also because he was an effective man. He got things done.
You have left behind a great team and partnerships. You truly believed that when people come together, great things happen.
Ritwa riake rigutura riririkanagwo makiria ni aria marakuruhanite nake imwe kwa imwe undu umwe na mundu wothe uraguraga motungata ma Safaricom. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Jitakama wa Mwangi.